I'm sending this video to my friends and family because there's a bird in my house and I don't know where it went. I killed fly swatter. I last seen it in there. So that's where I'm going. I'm joking, of course I'm not. I'm joking. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'm gonna see if it's there. And I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm not gonna do that. Missy, go attack. Bro, are you scared too? Nah. Okay. Now or never. Okay, I'm actually gonna stop doing this because I'm scared. And they could be legit everywhere, anywhere. Well, I don't know if it's up there or not, but I last seen it going there. I'm just gonna be right here, see if it ever comes out. It might have actually gone because there is really hope it's not in here. Okay, it's not in here. Okay, I'm good, okay? Macy, I hear Macy. Macy, I'm in here. Macy. Oh, it's a bird. Oh, nah. It's moving, nah, My phone died, but I'm back. Ah, cool. How do you... Okay, never mind. Let's go. I ain't afraid anymore. I've been finding this bird for like over 30 minutes now, and I'm done. Mr. Bird. Oh, it's right there. Hey. Camera's cooked. Why is my camera so dog? Bird, I cause no harm. Hey, bird. Oh my. Bird, I cause no harm. I just want you to get out of my house because I'm very scared. Oh, God. Get out of my house. I'm sorry. I won't. Hey, can you please get out? I said, can you please? Oh my God, bro. It's like the 4th video, but I think I'm gonna get it. Nah, what are you doing? Bird? Bird. Oh my God. Hey, sir, I'm right here, right here, right here. Can you, like, maybe get out my house? I'm right here. I'm right here. Dude. No, don't. No. Oh my God. Get off my stuff. Birdie. It don't have to be like this. I'm doing my sister's idea. I gotta do it like the last time. If I fumble, I'm cooked. Hey, sir. Sir. Oh, no. Ah! Oh my, it went right in front of my face. I'm sorry for doing that. I just need to get you out of my house. My mom's gonna cook me if she figures out you're in here. I'll give you free Bitcoin. Can you, like, maybe get out my house? Sir, I know you're behind there. I see you. Yeah, I see you. Bro, get out my house. I'll make you famous. Oh my God, can you really get out? Wait, is that Hello Kitty? I never knew that existed. No, dude. Oh my, you're gonna make me. That's it. I'm putting my dog in here, bro. Okay, the way my dog likes to get stuff is only if I get it baloney. So that's what I gotta do. Give me a second. Ah. Okay. Wait, you want some? Yeah, you want it? He's gone. He's nothing to be scared of now. He's pretty friendly. Never mind. You should not be doing this. Can you please get out, please? Sir? Nah, he ate all your food right in front of you. Are you gonna take that? Uber. Let go. Hey, Macy, stay away from this area. This is our top famous thing, cause oh my, you want to strict, bro. What do you find fun up there? Hey, I'm not. We gonna hit on just in case. I don't cause any harm, okay? I just want to get you out of my house. Come on. I'm putting this kid in a bowl, bro. Paper bowl or normal? Probably paper. Two of those. Bird, can you maybe just get in the bowl? Bird, get in the bowl. Bird. Oh my God, he's now in the bathroom. Great. Hey, Makoa. Makoa. YouTube, let's go. Go. Makoa, Makoa! Come on. Hey, bird. Oh my, I was gonna free him. Ugh. Oh my god, I forgot this existed. Ugh. I just punched. I did not mean to do that. Okay, bird. Hey, guys. Come on. Come on. The window's open. Hey, buddy, the window's open. Buddy, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. The window. It's open. You're free. You're free. Yeah, go. Go. Yes, go! We got him out! We got him out! Let's go! Mission successful. We did it. Just in case you don't get in my house again. Oh yeah, I forgot. Poor window. We lost a window during this. But it was worth it. I didn't really need you, but hope that bird don't go in my house again. Wonder what went.